the Whitestone Dome Glass Tempered Glass Screen Protector for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So I want to give a special shout out to Whitestone for sending this over for review. So let's dive right in. Whitestone Dome Glass designed for Samsung in the official font. So this product is legit for Galaxy Note 9. 3 full touch, full cover, full clear, adhesive curing by UV light. Pretty crazy installation process. I have this on my Galaxy S9 Plus and I really love it. And then this one says globally patented Loca technology for curved display. Galaxy Note 9. So let's open this and see what we get inside and we'll do the installation. Let's see, gotta rip this open. Put that to the side, and what do we get here? We get Whitestone Dome, little pamphlet here with all the information and stuff. Put that to the side. A little plastic tab here. You'll need this for the installation. Dust removal stickers, alcohol wipe, some foam pads, again for the installation, microfiber cleaning cloth. Okay, give you a handful. Very nice. Okay, more alcohol prep pads. Did I miss anything? And there should be, nope, that's it. Cool. And this is the installation tray itself. It's where your phone will go in. And this one is, let's see if I can get this out. I think this comes off. Wait. This comes off, right? Hold on a second. Yeah, it does. Thought so. Top part comes off like that. Put that to the side. And you get not one, but two of the Loca adhesives. You can see this will go in between the phone glass and the Whitestone glass. And this one's a little bracket that you put on top. This goes on top. Then when you put your glue on, kind of goes like that. These two stickers here, this little decal will cover your earpiece. So none of the Loca glue will get inside your speaker. This is the tempered glass itself. So you can see it is curved just like the phone. And then here it says back 2, step 2, adhesive side. Take that off when you're ready to put it on the device. Almost forgot to open this one. Aha, that's right. I knew I was missing something. This is the UV light. So you can see, and this is the cable that comes with it. So this one, there you go. There you go. This is the UV light that goes over the tray. Helps dry or helps cure the Loca glue once you have the screen protector on. And this is the power cable. You will need your own power source. Battery pack will do. This is your old type USB. Let's plug this in. Plugs in right there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab my power pack to power this up. Okay, put that to the side. Okay, let me finish setting everything up. Give me a second. All right, I kind of put it together real quick, like a dry run. So basically, this is how it's gonna look like. So let me just take this apart again. On the tray, it says speaker here on the top right, and it also says speaker on the top right of the top piece of the tray. So make sure when you put your phone, this is the top. And then once you have your phone in here, so just go right on. And then that tab, okay, it's gonna go in this little slot right here. This is what's gonna keep your screen protector up before you lay it down. And then what you're gonna do is, this is the little bridge. This is your Loca glue. You're gonna open it up. The red's the cap, open it up. You're gonna pour it down until you get all of it on the phone. it's going to be a dollop of the local glue. Move the tray so the dollop moves in the middle. Once it's in the middle, you're going to slide your glass in like so. Make sure it's in the middle. When it's right in the middle in this area right here, you're going to pull this and the glass will drop. And that's it. The local will spread, let it do its thing. Takes about, I don't know, a couple minutes. And that's it. And then at that point, take UV light. You dry it in 3 steps, about 30 seconds each, and you're done. So that's basically a dry run of the installation. Now I'm going to do it for real. All right, so you want to make sure that you get your phone as clean as you possibly can. Okay? You get 3 of the alcohol pads in the packaging, which should be plenty for this installation. You want to make sure that your screen is just absolutely clean, hella clean, with nothing on it, no dust or anything. So you just want to wipe it down now, make sure it's dry. Okay. You want to make sure before you start your hands are clean, you're working in a dust-free environment, all that good stuff. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. Okay, seeing some dust there. So take that off. All right, I'm gonna go over now. Whoops, I think I added more dust. Ha! Not doing that good of a job, am I? There you go. All right, I think that's good. So now I'm going to take the dust remover sticker. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on the tray right now. Now, like I said earlier, it says speaker right here, and obviously this is the phone speaker, so you know this is the top, okay? So put your phone, just like that, okay? Take the dust removal decal, I'm gonna grab one, and I'm just gonna go over the device, okay? I'm seeing one right there, take that off, and you just go over it. Pretty self-explanatory, straightforward. Let's see. Take your time doing this. You kind of want to take your time because you want to get all the dust out, but at the same time, you don't want to take too much time because the longer you let your phone sit like this, you know, there's dust in the air and stuff. It's going to get on your phone. So take your time, but also have to kind of work quickly too. If that makes any sense, but you know what I mean. Okay, I think we're good. I think we are good. All right, let's try to do this fast. All right, cool. Next. Okay, you're gonna take this, right? Again, it says speaker right here, right? You know that's the top, and you're just gonna, whoops, the other way. Wait, what the hell? Okay, here we go, right. There you go, it just kind of comes together like that. Wonderful. Next step, tab. Put it in here. You have a little slot, you put it in there. Cool. And then the bridge. Okay, this is the bridge. These 2 little cutouts, those match up with the bridge. Goes on like that. Cool. Double check your phone again, make sure there's no dust, and I'm not seeing any at all actually, which is great. Take your local glue. You're gonna open this up. Also, I forgot to mention, before you start, make sure you're working on a flat surface. That's important for this process to work properly. You have to be on a flat surface. Okay. This is the local glue. All right, so I'm gonna take the red cap off, and this screws on the bridge, as you can see. Right, just screw it on. I don't think it actually gets torqued down or anything. It just kind of goes on there like that. Okay, and then what you're gonna do now is, see this black cap? This comes off. So when this comes off, the local glue will drop to the device. You have to kind of work quickly here, so you can see. Now, what did I say about working on a level surface? So you just saw the table was not 100% level. It was kind of leaning towards my direction, right? Towards me. So when the local first dropped, it was gonna fall off to the side. Good thing I caught it, and it's in the middle. You see, so you have a big dollop of the local there. Now again, I'm not working on a 100% flat surface. That's why I'm holding it right now to keep it there. What you're gonna do is you're gonna move the local glue until it's in the middle of the phone. Okay? Like what I'm doing right now. See how it's in the middle? And you wanna keep it there. You're gonna take your, okay, this might be a challenge because I'm not working on a flat surface, So I'm going to use this to kind of, hopefully it stays, and it's not going to stay. All right, I need something else to keep it there. Okay, I'm going to use the microfiber cloth, kind of level this out. Okay, doing this kind of ghetto, but okay, there we go. That leveled it out a little bit. See how the logo is staying in the middle of the phone? That's what you want. That is what you want. Now I'm just hoping there's no dust that gets on there. This is the glass itself. What you're gonna do is now take it off. Point of no return, guys. Once you take this off, you're going all the way. Okay, you're gonna take your glass and slide it right here. Now be careful not to touch the loca yet. Okay, got some loca on the glass right there, but that's fine. Okay, right there, see that? Okay. So now I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna try to level it out so that it'll go towards the middle. Okay, once it's pretty much in the middle, so you can see, right there, you're just gonna, once I let this tab go, once I release this, the glass will drop to the device. And I kind of messed that up. See if I can move it. There you go. Woo! Not sure what happened there. Kind of messed that up. The glass moved, but I pulled this. I don't know, did something wrong. So it's not the perfect install right now, but you act quickly, as you can see. The logo just spreads out and it's crystal clear. That's pretty much it. Now this is an optional step. I didn't do this. See this sticker right here? You put this over your speaker. You don't have any local glue going to your earpiece, but I didn't do it, so. But it's there if you want to use it, which I actually recommend using it. I just didn't for some reason. All right. Pretty good. Okay, now you might have some extra loca spillage. So I have some right here on the glass. Not a big deal. Just take your microfiber cleaning cloth and just wipe it. Take your UV. Okay. Turn on my power brick. Turn on your UV. 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 3 times. So I'm doing it in the middle. Do the top, or the top is over here. Top, middle, and the bottom part of the phone. 15 to 20 seconds each. I think this will be my 3rd install of this screen protector, so I kind of know what to expect. But if this is your first time, you want to make sure you take your time, not make that mistake I just did. This is my S9 Plus with a Whitestone screen protector on it, which I've had on since release date of this phone, which was March 2018, and it's August, so it's about 5 months, right? And no complaints. No complaints at all with this protector. It's very nice. Okay, put that to the side, and then now I'm gonna do the top. Turn on the UV light, let it do its thing. Just waiting for this UV light to turn off. And there it is. Cool. So your logo should be pretty much dry. There it is. Got stuck there a little bit. I think some loco got on the tray. And let's see. I'll take the phone off if I can. Is my phone stuck on this tray now or what? Do it over here, at the bottom. Okay, there it is. Cool. Whitestone Dome screen protector is fully installed on my device. Now, just because of the installation process, you're gonna have some local glue spillage, you know, on the phone, on the tray right here. That's why they include these foam pads. You put it on the side, that'll help absorb some of the extra local that might spill over. You know, I didn't do it. I mean, you know, that's optional. Now let's have a closer look. Let's see. I don't know if the camera will focus, but it's right there. See that? I go around. And the curve matches the curve of the phone perfectly. And let me see, did I do a good job on, yep, it's perfect. Lines up perfectly with the speaker. It's right below the front-facing camera, so it's not hindering that at all. And on the bottom, I'm looking at the line, the gap between the bottom of the tempered glass and the bottom of the phone is perfect. The installation tray really helps with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the phone on. All right, so you can see, working just fine. Going to the app drawer, etc. All right, settings. Working as it should. Now this glass, by the way, feels super smooth. Like, it feels really smooth, just like the Gorilla Glass of the phone itself. This glass feels like the phone itself, as if you don't have tempered glass, but you do. Very nice. And after about 5 months of use, my Whitestone on my S9 Plus feels the same way. Okay, I'm gonna go in the edges right here. So you can see the touch point right there on the screen. See that white circle? So the screen is still responsive on all edges. Going to the app drawer, going like this. Touch sensitivity is not hindered whatsoever. Open the calculator. There you go. Let's see, let's open the clock app. No issues. This screen protector is also 100% fully clear, and that's because of the local glue between the glass of the Note 9 and the tempered glass screen protector. Other screen protectors, they only have the glue on the edges, and you have a dot matrix pattern in the center, which on some protectors you can kind of see, and you lose some black levels too with other screen protectors. You're not gonna have any of those issues with this one. This screen protector retains 100% clarity of the Note 9 screen. Let's check for case compatibility now. I have this subcase case. Try this on real quick. Pretty sure it'll work, and it better work. And it does work. Now I'm pretty sure other cases will work. In my experience, speaking cases will work, caseology cases should work, even the UAG cases will work. Well, it depends on the UAG. UAG Monarch will work, but I'm not sure about the UAG Plasma. But I know for sure the UAG Monarch should work. I know because I did it on my S9 Plus. The Whitestone Dome Glass Tempered Glass Screen Protector for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. If you're interested, I'll go ahead and put links in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.